Hello, Robert with Phoenix Carpet Repair, Cleaning, and Restoration here. We're in a big hotel in the Glendale, Westgate area, and we had some carpet damage here where a couple rows were missing from this loop pile patterned carpet, and we're gonna attempt to put a row back in. And so we prepared it, and now we're gonna slowly seam this row of carpet back in place here. And so you can begin to watch as we heat up our seam tape, which is still not hot enough. Red light means it's not ready. When it turns green, that means it's ready. And I'm just gonna begin to slowly strive to put this row back in place here. This is pretty common. It's called a loop pile carpet snag, where the vacuum cleaner basically snagged the carpet, and we're attempting to put this row back in. Here, slowly. Basically, we're just doing kind of open heart surgery here on the loop pile carpet. Thanks for watching.